Many of the replacement panels that we're running into today involve some type of hemmed flange. These hem flanges also require seam sealer. From the factory, this is many times robotically applied, and in the aftermarket, we need to match the original look and appearance. In this video, I want to show you a solution that will help you more quickly achieve this with less waste. With the OEM Match wing nozzle, we have a couple key features. One is there's only a wing on one side. We also have these guidelines built into this, and these are reference points for commonly used applications. But no matter what the application is, it's recommended that you always dry fit it to the panel first, making sure that the opening or the slot is going to be directly over the center of the hem flange or seam. Once you've figured out where you need to trim that nozzle and how wide the bead should be, using a cutter or a knife, trim the nozzle for both the bead width and the guide wing, making sure that the nozzle travels over the center of the hem flange. Once the nozzle is trimmed, make sure that you attach it to a properly equalized two-part product or a properly purged one-component cartridge. And then on a disposable mixing sheet, practice running out a couple beads first, adjusting both your speed and the air pressure on the applicator, making sure it matches exactly what you want to apply to the vehicle. Once you have a bead that you're happy with, go ahead and install it to the panel. With either a 1K or a 2K solution, this tip can be used both right-handed and left-handed. Once the application is complete, remove the tip from the static mixing nozzle, leaving the static mixing nozzle attached to the cartridge. If you're using a one-component cartridge applicator, leave the tip on the cartridge. If you're using a sausage pack application, remove the tip from the sausage pack nozzle. For any questions related to this or other seam sealer applications, post a comment in the section down below. Also, make sure you hit the subscribe and like buttons. For more information, check out 3M Collision Repair Academy. The link for that is in the description below. I appreciate you watching this video, and I'll see you next time.